Cantharellus Tubaeformis are another great and easy to identify mushroom to add to your basket, commonly referred to as the trumpet chanterelle, but also known as yellow legs. Cantharellus Tubaeformis is a popular edible member of the chanterelle family, found in well-drained coniferous woodland where sunlight penetrates, although rather less famous than the lovely golden chanterelles that fruit earlier in the season. The trumpet chanterelle has one thing going for it. It is extremely gregarious, often appearing in patches of thousands. Trumpet chanterelles are swarthy members of the chanterelle clan, particularly common in spruce forests on acidic soil. Right here, Cantharellus Tubaeformis fruits in dense colonies, far more abundant than its more famous relative golden chanterelles. On mainland Europe, the trumpet chanterelle is very common and widespread in Scandinavia, whereas in countries further south, you have to head for the hills if you want to find these fine edible fungi. Once you have found a forest where Cantharellus Tubaeformis grows, it is no problem at all to gather enough of these thronging mushrooms for a nice meal. Cap or this mushroom is 2 to 7 centimeters wide, more or less convex at first, soon becoming vase-shaped and eventually becoming perforated in the center, with a wavy and irregular margin when mature, bald, sticky or waxy when fresh, dark yellowish brown to blackish brown, fading to greyish brown or greyish with age. Colors sometimes faintly streaked in radial patterns. Veins running down the stem, when young with ridges and folds, with age developing well-developed false gills that fork frequently and have cross veins, yellowish to greyish or brownish, or occasionally faintly lilac. Stem is 3 to 9 centimeters long and 3 to 8 millimeters thick, more or less equal, becoming hollow, bald, with a waxy feel, usually orange to orangish yellow when young, becoming dull yellow, brownish, or orangish. Trumpet chanterelle is an excellent edible mushroom, especially fried or in soups. They are rich in vitamin D. Eating them in the winter is a natural way to increase one's vitamin D intake. Add nutrition and flavor to sauces, soups, pies, stews, warm sandwiches, omelets, salads, smoothies. Use a spice when crushed, and when soaked, use as fresh mushrooms.